What is dynamic component creation and how to create the components, HTML components dynamically using JavaScript we are going to see now. Okay. Before going to that, I need to give you a homework. What is your homework? What is my concept which I am going to teach you? Let me explain first. Okay. Everybody went to supermarket now? Yes. Where you might have seen the screen of the supermarket, that particular person who will be selling the goods to us, shopkeeper. Okay. Where we will assume that on his screen one text field will be there like this for entering the good names, goods whatever we have purchased, the names of the goods, and beside this plus button, beside that only minus button will be there. Plus minus. Okay now? Let's say 5 such components will be there. 5 rows will be there like this only. 5 text fields in 5 rows, 5 plus buttons, 5 minus buttons will be there. Similarly. Okay now? Whereas let's consider he went and purchased 5 goods. Okay, for entering 5 goods names, 5 text fields are there. Everything is successful. He went. What he will do? He has purchased 7 goods. Okay now? Once he has entered 5 goods names, he needs to add 6th goods also, right? He will click plus. One more text field, one more plus button, one more minus button should be added dynamically. Got it? Then 6th goods will be entered. Then 7th good is there. Again plus. One more text field, one more plus button, one more minus button should be added. 7th good he will be entering. Clear? After entering all the goods, he will be thinking, in my pocket sufficient amount of money is not there. What he is thinking? In that some perfume bottle or something he might have purchased. Well, let me drop out this particular perfume bottle. That perfume bottle will be 4th one. I am telling you. 4th one he need to take out. For that 4th row minus he will click. That goods only has to be removed. Rest 6 goods should be there as it is. Clear? That's your homework.
Just a thought, sir, we can create a division with only one text field.
Okay.
And we can document or write that whenever you press.
How to create the components and remove the components dynamically, I am going to show you now. For adding the buttons, let me go for plus. Okay. For removing, I'll go for minus and fun1 function. And where I need to add? On the screen. For displaying the components which I have created dynamically, I need to have one container. I'll create div id equal to some div container. Okay, I have created the container. For this only I have to add the components. From this only I have to remove the components. Okay. Okay. Fun is for adding. A equal to document dot get element by id display. I'll be pointing to this one. Okay. Where A is pointing to this particular div. For that, if I add the components, that means it will be adding to div content. Clear? Now, B equal to document dot create element input. I need to create input elements only, right? Input type text, button, label, whatever it is. Okay. B dot set attribute. Input type elements only. Under that, so many types are there. But which type I want? I want text field. If you want button, you go for button. And for displaying the value, dummy value on the text field, I will go for value. Hello. For referring, that means for adding and removing, we need to refer that particular components. So ID also I will specify. Okay. Next, now the component, that means text field is created. So far, that text field I need to attach to div so that it will be visible for us. For attaching to the div, a dot append child b. Clear? Let me show you. Adding. Clear? That is all about add function. I have created input component. I have set the attribute type text field only I am getting. The value which I am displaying on the text field is hello, and the ID for reference sake I have specified the ID t1. So complete component I have created. That component I have appended as a child to div so that it is displaying on the screen. If I am not doing this step, it will not be displaying. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Now how to remove? Okay, this function I will copy it. Okay. What is the ID we have specified? T1. Okay. I am adding, I am removing. Clear? I am pointing to the component whose ID is T1. I am removing that component from A. That means from that particular div. Clear? That's it. These are the steps which you need to follow for creating the elements dynamically and removing the elements dynamically. If you specify type text, in the sense it will create text. If you specify type button, submit, whatever it is, it will create that respective elements. Okay? Any doubts? Make a note.